I got him a nice fucking chew stick, and he's fucking jawing over my shit. The fuck? Eat that!
Proof my dog is the worst guard dog. Because of excessive panic over cutting one's nails, one fainted.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
There she goes, punk.
Bud needs a lawyer.
This is a little too much whipped cream for me.
Dogs are actual comedians.
Happy birthday to you!
Pepperoni pizza. Okay, calm down, Tony. Don't let the human know your desires. Oh my god, is that a squirrel?